So I am back recording another video for you guys. So we're gonna do an Ipsy unboxing today. I am not filming at home. I literally came all the way down to Miami to pick up my Ipsy box and to spend time with my family because I didn't change my shipping address on my Ipsy subscription. So you guys stay tuned and we're going to look at the products that I got. Okay, so Ipsy has, from what I know, like 3 subscriptions. I have the I went from doing like the little pouch bags that's like $10 a month to doing the Glam Plus that gives you it gives you the bigger 5 whole products. Let me tell you, this one for the September is Find Your Light. I like that, that's cute. So I got 5 items and it says, good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month and your 5 Glam Bag Plus products have arrived. Allow us to dismay. I got my glasses on, y'all, I still can't see. Allow us to demystify them for you. Alright, so the 5 items I got, I'm gonna start down. So besides all that, y'all, the subscription is $25, okay? Since it's the 5 products that are full products, it is $25 monthly. This is my second one. Ooh, I got a broken nail, y'all. So this is my second one, and I'm gonna go down the list that's on here, and then I'll tell y'all what it is and the value of it. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first thing is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Now remember I said the subscription is $25. This has a value of $37. Ooh, and it's 15 shades, y'all. I'm really liking it. These are some of the colors. I'm loving this green color right here. I'm loving this color, which I can't even tell y'all what it is because it looks like it's like a charcoal, but then it looks blue. So I don't know. But I'm gonna open it and we will do a tutorial using this palette today. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, it's a color called Poor But Sexy. Y'all see that? It's that right there. Yeah. Poor But Sexy. Yes. Sorry, y'all. I'm at home with my siblings and my brother decides to ask questions. Poor But Sexy. Yes, it is. Oh my God. Shut up. Jeez. So yeah, these are the colors, and I'm going to open it up for you guys. Okay, so this is the outside of it, Berlin Underground, and then ooh, look at that! Look at all those sexy colors, y'all. I like this. Like, I like all of the colors, but certain ones really stand out to me, especially this one, which is called NDW. Most definitely going to be doing a tutorial with this today. Alright, so on to the next product. Alright, so the next thing on here is the Il Masque. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all pronounce that how y'all want to. And it is an anti-matter lipstick in the color Midnight. Okay, so the value of it is $27, which is more than what the cost of this box is. So yeah, y'all, that's the color Midnight. Bless you. This is why I film at home, y'all. All this background noise. So oh, you know what? I low-key was just talking about how I wanted a red. Y'all see that? That is sexy. Let's swatch it. Ooh. Yes. Definitely putting that one on today too. I like that. I like it. Well, thank y'all, Ipsy, for this one because I really like this one. I like it. I like it. All right. Yeah. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, y'all. Illa Mascu. Illa somebody. Thank you, Illa. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next product. Okay, so the next thing I have is, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly because it is French. The Ciate or Ciate. It's the Ciate London. And it's the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Now, it is normally $22. It's a loose translucent setting powder. I like this box. It's really cute. So I normally don't use setting powder, but I did just get the Kat Von D translucent powder. This is supposed to be really blendable and lightweight. I'm trying to open it down. And it's supposed to have a super focused finish. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. This is real cute. Y'all see yourself? Ow. Ow. I like that. That's low-key a mirror in the front. Oh, don't judge me. I had a bottle of water. But okay. This is cute. Or whatever. Oh, it comes with actual instructions. I don't see that often. Oh, in every single language you can think of. Literally. In every single language you can think of. Okay. So, I'm going to use that later. I don't use translucent powder, y'all. I really don't. But, I'm going to use it later. And we'll see what that life is about. We'll do a review on these products. Alright. So, next thing is the APTO skincare. I'm not sure if it's APTO or it's Apto or Aptu. It's an antioxidants mask with pomegranate. Now, I have their sarsaparilla face mask. This is valued at $36. I really like this one. I like this box. So, I've done a facial routine with you guys. And this one is for all skin types. Now, the sarsaparilla is a blue mask. And it is all, it has only for dry skin types. So this one is for all skin types. So I'm going to use it and we'll see what this one is about. Okay, so the last thing I got, you guys, is Hollywood, California's Glam Glow. And it's the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. The value of this is $34. Now, I had their face mask that has the bubbles in it. That thing is serious. It made my face feel like I had little ants crawling on it. Not saying that it was a bad product. It was just, I'm not used to the bubbly face mask type thing. So, I'm going to use this and see how it works. It says is gentle enough for everyday use, and I can apply it to a wet face and lightly massage in a circular motions, rinse and pat dry. So that's pretty simple. So it's supposed to buff away dead skin cells and reveal a defined glowing complexion. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to do a daily check-in or report with you guys and see how this works. All right, so okay, so hey, stop, you guys. So that is everything that I got with Ipsy, and I'm gonna do a review on the actual, well, I'm gonna do a tutorial like as soon as I'm done with this. I'm gonna do a tutorial with the Nomad palette. Like, I'm really digging that. And I'm going to use the translucent powder, and we'll see how that works. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys.